Today, we're going to show you how to get rid of your skin tags and warts very quickly, okay?
Skin tags are small, benign growths that often appear on the skin's surface. These little nuisances are typically soft, flesh-colored, and dangle from the skin on a thin stalk called a peduncle. You might find them in areas of friction like the neck, armpits, eyelids, under the breasts, or around the groin. While they're harmless and not painful, their appearance can be bothersome, especially when they grow in visible or sensitive spots. Imagine them as tiny balloons of skin. They might not hurt you, but they can be a subtle sign that something isn't entirely right beneath the surface. What causes skin tags? The formation of skin tags isn't random. Several factors contribute to their development, but one of the primary culprits is insulin resistance. When your body struggles to process insulin effectively, it can lead to hormonal imbalances and excess skin cell production, which manifests as tags. Other potential causes include friction or skin rubbing against itself, often in overweight individuals. Genetics, as skin tags tend to run in families. Hormonal changes, like during pregnancy. High sugar levels or a poor diet, which worsen insulin resistance. Human papillomavirus, HPV, which can sometimes be linked to skin abnormalities. Understanding the root cause is essential because skin tags can be more than just a cosmetic issue. They're often a sign of underlying metabolic concerns. The best remedy for skin tags and warts. If you're looking for a natural, safe, and effective remedy, apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a powerhouse. This simple household staple is acidic enough to break down the tissue of skin tags and warts, eventually causing them to fall off. Here's how to use it. Clean the area with soap and water. Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar. Apply it directly to the skin tag or wart and secure it with a bandage. Leave it on for several hours, preferably overnight. Repeat daily until the tag dries up and falls off naturally. ACV not only targets the tag, but also helps balance your skin's pH, promoting overall skin health. Other remedies for skin tags and warts. There are several other remedies if ACV doesn't suit you. Tea tree oil, a natural antiseptic with antiviral and antifungal properties. Tea tree oil can dry out skin tags. Apply it directly and cover with a bandage daily. Castor oil and baking soda paste. Mix the two to create a paste and apply it to the tag. The alkalinity of baking soda and the moisturizing properties of castor oil work synergistically to dissolve tags. Garlic paste. Crushed garlic contains enzymes that break down skin tags. Apply a fresh paste to the tag, cover it, and repeat daily. Iodine. Applying liquid iodine to the tag can effectively break down its tissue. Protect the surrounding skin with petroleum jelly before application. Cryotherapy or surgical removal. In stubborn cases, consult a dermatologist for freezing, cutting, or laser removal. Learn more about the underlying cause of skin tags and warts. Skin tags are like warning lights on your dashboard. They signal deeper imbalances that shouldn't be ignored. The most common underlying cause is insulin resistance, a condition where your cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. To address this, embrace a low-carb, high-fat ketogenic diet to stabilize blood sugar. Intermittent fasting can also work wonders, improving insulin sensitivity. Increase your intake of zinc, chromium, and magnesium, as these minerals support healthy metabolism. Avoid refined carbs and sugars, which exacerbate insulin resistance. Exercise regularly to enhance your body's ability to process glucose. By addressing the root cause, you'll not only prevent skin tags, but also promote overall health, vitality, and well-being.